I'm Saiteth and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the vSIM card speed test between the OnePlus 9R versus the Realme Xon Max device. So let's see friends whether the OnePlus 9R will be having the better kind of faster 4G speeds, or maybe the Realme phones will be having the better kind of faster 4G speed. That is what I'm trying to check in my location. And quick note, the speeds also depend upon the type of location you are in and type of SIM you are using. So this test is done indoors in the studio environment only and using the vSIM card in both phones installed. So first let's check what is the exact bands we are trying to get in both phones. That is what I'll try to show you completely. So in case if you are interested in any videos on the 4G Plus videos, so make sure to type in the YouTube 4G Plus SciTech Guru. You'll get all the videos which are uploaded recently and comparison with other smartphones particularly. So that will be really interesting test to see which phone has got the really good 4G speeds. So let's see friends, first let me try to show you quickly which phone has what type of SIM and everything. I'll try to show you first before starting the test actually. So as you can clearly see friends, both phones are running using the Idea SIM card only. You can clearly see here Idea SIM card, and let me try to go back and show you the APN settings as well. As you can see Idea SIM card. So both phones are having the Idea SIM card in the Realme Xon Max as well. So first let's check which phone has got 4G plus LTE in this kind of using vSIM card. That is what I'm trying to check right now. Let's see. And both phones, I did open the Net Monster application, and here is the results. So 4G LTE, and there is no LTE-A, so there is no aggregation for this SIM in this location. So this both phones supports the aggregation, there is no doubt in that, but in my location I cannot get the 4G plus aggregation. But let's see what will be the speeds if there is no 4G plus. What will be the speeds? That is what my question is. Let me try to open the speed test application and try to do the test maybe about 3 times. I'll try to continue this kind of testing. So right now, as you can see friends, you can clearly see the servers as well. Both are with the vIdea and vIdea from the OnePlus, as you can clearly see the difference. So let me try to start the test. I'll try to do the test at 3 times, 3 levels I'll try to do, and later I'll try to do 1 by 1 as well. So maybe let's start with doing with the 1 by 1. So first I'll try to do in the OnePlus 9R device. So first test, let's see how much the speed can actually reach in the OnePlus. Wow, the speeds I got about 56 highest I did see. Now I'm getting 53. That's really great friends. In the OnePlus 9R device you can see that's really very good in terms of the speeds. 55-56 Mbps. That's incredible. This is my normal 4G. It's not even 4G plus, it's just 4G only friends. It's just 4G, and I'm getting 56 Mbps on the 4G speeds in this OnePlus 9R device. That's really great. And once this test has been done, I'll try to start the test in the Realme Xon Max as well. So let's see how much this Realme Xon Max can get using the same 4G SIM card. As you can see friends, right now the Realme Xon Max is kind of getting close to 50. It's really struggling to get that kind of high speeds like 56. So let's see whether it will beat this OnePlus 9R or not. As you can see friends, 48 Mbps in the Realme Xon Max, 48. So this is the thing, slightly I did find the connectivity, in terms of the connectivity much, the OnePlus phones are slightly better in the Wi-Fi or maybe in the normal 4G plus or 4G aggregation slightly. But Realme Xon Max has got slightly more bands in terms of the 5G connection. That is what I did see. So let me try to start the test at same time in both phones. So I'm trying to start at same time in both phones. So now let's see which phone will be having the faster 4G speeds. So I started at same time friends in both phones, and you're getting about 29 Mbps and 23 Mbps. So 23 Mbps you can clearly see friends, 23, and here the speed started to increase, 31 as you can see. So one thing is pretty clear, the speeds are slightly better in the OnePlus 9R device. So when I try to do the test at same time in both phones, so I'm experiencing this kind of slow speeds friends. That is the reason why I did 1 by 1, just to show you which phone can actually record the highest speeds. So that is the reason why I did. Let me try to start the test at same time as well in both phones. I'm trying to start at same time in both phones. So let's see what will happen with this second time results. Second time 25 Mbps I'm getting here. So both phones are equal. So both phones are equal. As you can see, they are kind of close to equal, 23 and 21, 23. As you can see friends, 21. But in every test the results are much higher in the OnePlus 9R device. As I said, this also depends upon the location where you are in and type of SIM you're using. So if you're in the metropolitan city, you should not be worried about all these things. Definitely you'll be getting really high speeds, no problem. So these are the results for the normal test, as you can clearly see friends. So now final test which I'll be trying to do in the one by one again, just to see that kind of theory whether it's working or not. If you try to do one by one, the speeds are really high. As you can clearly see, friends, it's going above 50 directly. 50 Mbps, 52 I'm getting right now, 51, 51.7. That's really great in the OnePlus 9, as you can clearly see. In case if you love this kind of videos, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to search in the YouTube for 4G Plus SciTech Guru. You will find all my videos which I uploaded recently, friends. So that will be really interesting to see. And 51.7 and 9.51. So let me try to do the test in Realme X1 Max one more time. So I'm trying to do the multiple times testing just to show you which phone has got the highest capable reception signals in this indoor environment, in my studio environment. That is what I'm trying to say, which one has got really high speeds capability. I think the OnePlus 9R has got slightly higher capabilities, little bit. So there is not huge difference, friends. Only you are seeing about 2 Mbps and 5 Mbps difference itself between both phones. That's not much, but that is without the 4G Plus. So maybe if you have the 4G Plus, the phones can I think reach up to 100 Mbps. That is another question. So these are the complete results which I did just now. As you can, if you try to compare both results side by side, let me try to slightly zoom in so you will be able to see the scores one by one. So 49, 51, which is the highest in the OnePlus 9R, 23.3 and 21, which is also highest in the OnePlus 9R, 35 and 23, again OnePlus 9R is a winner, and 56 and 48, as you can see, friends, again OnePlus 9R. So overall in my testing, this is what I did find in the top 4 results if you observe. So there is not much difference. There's a difference of I think maximum, I think close to here I did see the huge difference, 35 and 23. So there is a huge difference over there. So but not apart from that, there's nothing much difference. I think here it's about 12 Mbps difference is there. So apart from that, you are seeing only 7 Mbps and 8 Mbps, 6 Mbps difference between both phones. So not much. So right, friends, this is the final conclusion, is that the OnePlus 9R has got slightly better signals, little bit, but not much. Even the Realme X1 Max is also doing great in terms of the 4G signal speeds. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Until then, bye.